Hi everyone, welcome to Nathanium Health. Today we're diving into 11 natural ways to lower your cholesterol and boost your heart health. Because let's face it, taking care of your heart is one of the most crucial things you can do for your overall well-being. And we want you to be around for many, many years to come. We're talking about easy, practical steps you can take every day to feel your very best. From the foods you consume to the way you move, we're covering it all. Get ready to discover how to make your heart sing with joy. Let's get started. Let's explore the impact of refined carbs and sugar on your heart health. White bread, sugary cereals, and processed snacks might be delicious, but they're not helping your cholesterol levels. Eating too many of these foods can increase your LDL cholesterol, the bad kind, and triglycerides, which are excess fats in your blood. But don't worry, you don't have to cut out carbs completely. Opt for whole grains and natural sweeteners instead of processed options. These complex carbs are packed with fiber and nutrients, keeping you full and satisfied without causing blood sugar spikes. Let's dive into the incredible benefits of soluble fiber for your health. Soluble fiber works wonders by binding to cholesterol and helping to remove it from your body. Think of it as a broom, sweeping away the harmful substances clogging your arteries. To enjoy the benefits of soluble fiber, add foods like Brussels sprouts, broccoli, oats, beans, and flax seeds to your diet. These fiber-rich foods will support your digestion, manage your cholesterol, and promote a healthy heart for years to come. Now, let's dive into the world of fats. Not all fats are created equal. Saturated and trans fats can raise your cholesterol and increase your risk of heart disease, while unsaturated fats like those found in olive oil, avocados, nuts, seeds, and fatty fish are actually beneficial for your health. These good fats can help improve your cholesterol levels, reduce inflammation, and even boost your brain function. So, ditch the bad fats found in processed junk food and embrace the power of good fats. Your heart and your taste buds will thank you. If you're looking for an extra boost in the cholesterol-lowering department, you might want to consider adding a krill oil supplement to your routine. Krill oil is like the cool younger sibling of fish oil, packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants that can work wonders for your heart health. These powerful nutrients can help reduce inflammation, lower your LDL cholesterol, and even improve your HDL cholesterol, which is the good kind that helps clear out the bad stuff. Just make sure to chat with your doctor before starting any new supplements, just to be safe. Okay, let's talk about upgrading your cooking oil. I know it might seem like a small thing, but the type of oil you use can actually make a big difference in your cholesterol levels. Instead of reaching for those unhealthy vegetable oils like canola or soybean oil, why not choose something a little more heart healthy? Olive oil and avocado oil are both excellent choices, packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that can help lower your LDL cholesterol and reduce your risk of heart disease. Plus, they add a delicious flavor to your food. Let's explore the incredible benefits of berries. Berries are nature's candy, offering sweetness without the guilt. They're low in calories, naturally sweet, and packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that are great for your heart. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries, all are excellent choices. These tiny powerhouses can help lower LDL cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and improve blood pressure. So go ahead, enjoy a big bowl of berries. Let's be real, life without spice is like a day without sunshine. But did you know that certain herbs and spices can actually boost your heart health? It's true. Garlic, turmeric, ginger, cinnamon. These culinary superstars are not only delicious, but they're also packed with phytochemicals that can help lower your cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and even improve blood pressure. So don't be afraid to get creative in the kitchen. Experiment with different herbs and spices to add flavor and a healthy dose of heart-protecting goodness to your meals. Let's explore the benefits of cruciferous vegetables for your liver. They might not be the most exciting foods, but listen up. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, and Brussels sprouts are nutritional powerhouses that can significantly support liver health. Why is liver health so important for overall wellness? Your liver plays a crucial role in regulating cholesterol levels in your body. By keeping your liver healthy and functioning well, you're not only aiding in cholesterol control, but also boosting your overall health. When it comes to liver health, milk thistle is a standout. This powerful herb has been cherished for centuries for its liver-supporting properties. It contains silymarin, an antioxidant that shields your liver from damage. A well-functioning liver contributes to a healthy heart. By enhancing liver function, milk thistle can also help improve cholesterol levels and lower the risk of heart disease. As with any supplement, it's wise to consult your doctor before incorporating it into your regimen. Attention, tea lovers! Did you know that your daily cup or two of green tea could be a sippable superpower for your health? Green tea is packed with antioxidants, including catechins, which have been shown to help lower LDL cholesterol and boost cardiovascular health. Plus, it's just so soothing and delicious. So ditch the sugary drinks and embrace the sippable superpower of green tea. Let's dive into the importance of moving your body for heart health. I know, sometimes it feels like the last thing you want to do. But trust me, even a little bit of movement can make a big difference in your heart health. Regular exercise can help lower your LDL cholesterol, increase your HDL cholesterol, the good kind, improve blood pressure, and reduce your risk of heart disease. And the best part? It doesn't have to be anything crazy intense. Thanks for watching, everyone. Remember, these small steps can lead to significant improvements in your heart health. It's all about making sustainable, long-term changes that you can maintain. Always consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any major changes to your diet or exercise routine, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. And remember, be heart healthy.